What up, though? This your boy. About to show y'all another simple recipe. Right here is one of my favorites. This is a smothered potato soup with them caramelized onions up in that thing. Now, right now, you get you some onions, ton of onions. Put them in the pan with a little oil with some salt. Medium heat. Cook them bad babies down a little bit. It's gonna take a while now. You gotta have some patience. Now, keep on stirring them. Keep stirring them. They're gonna get translucent colored. They're gonna lose volume. And then they're gonna start browning up like this here. That's when you know it's about done. You want your onions to be just like this. When they good and sweet and succulent. Now set them to the side. Alright, now I'm about to show y'all how you get down with this roux. With that roux, it's a very important thing. You use some butter and some flour. Especially when you're dealing with like a white sauce, something like that, or something that you want to be kind of buttery flavored. That's how I'm rocking with this roux. Rock that boy until it turns a little brown colored, man. It's gonna take a little bit. After you get done doing that, you prepare you some celery, cut them up kind of fine like this here. You can leave them leaves off in there, because I kind of like it like that. Get you some yellow Yukon potatoes. Dice them up like this, leave the skin on them things, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you wash them bad babies real good. That's what I'm doing right here. Got them in some water. Rinse them a couple times. After I get done doing this, I'm going to rinse them. Run some cold water on them a few times till that water run clear. Then, boom, put them boys to the side. Get you some garlic. Chop them bad babies down. This is about 10, 15 cloves. Chop them boys up real good and fine. But we ain't putting these in yet. Now, put them potatoes in that water. Have you a pot. It's about approximately like 6 quarts deep. Fill it up about halfway. Put you some vegetable stock in there. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like. Some people use chicken broth and stuff like that. I'm just going to use a vegetable stock. Add your garlic to the pot after them potatoes been cooking for a bit. After you done got that celery put off in that thing. Now it's time to whip it, baby. Now put everything together, whip it around a little bit, you feel me? You know, everything ain't done yet. As you can see, them potatoes, you can see they kind of translucent around the edges, but they ain't all the way there yet. To let them boys come up to a boil, now you get you some half and half out with some cream cheese. I use half and half instead of full cream because, you know, after I get done putting that roux in there, that's what's going to thicken that thing up. Chop up some dang on cream cheese. Make sure it's at room temperature. Chop it up and dice up like that. Throw it in the pot. Stir it around until it gets smooth and white colored like this. Add you some add that half and half, not the heavy cream. Remember, half and half, but you can use heavy cream if you want. But it's going to be a little bit too rich. I don't want it to be too rich. I want it to be a little lighter, you know. So that's how I'm going to do it here. Stir that stuff around. Whip it. Whip it real hard. You know how I do it, man. Now it's time to add that roux. You see that peanut butter? Add that peanut butter. Now I'm just putting that roux. Add that to the pot. Everything been cooking for a minute now. You know, them potatoes, they about done. You add it at this point and let it finish cooking with everything else. That half and half, that cream cheese, them seasonings that you added in there, you know, the celery. After it done thickened up a little bit, now it's time to add those caramelized onions. Man, them things is on the game, baby. Now, you put those boys in there. Now add them all to the pot. Now you see how that thing done start thickening up a little bit? And you see I didn't put them onions in it at the beginning. I put it at the end. So it can keep its color. And you can taste that sweetness of them onions. Woo, it's just like some smothered potatoes, but in a soup form. Look at that there. Look at that. Now if you want to get fancy, add you some Parmesan cheese. Now, right here, this is that good stuff that come in the container, not none of that, that powder kind. This is the real deal right here. Shaved bird. Now you add that in there, about a cup and a half of grated Parmesan cheese. They give it a little fancy flair. You feel me? Put that cup and a half in that thing, man, stir that around. At this time, you can turn the heat down a little bit. You can turn it from a medium heat down to like a slow little simmer. Stir that in. Whip it. And whip it hard, baby. Now look at that beautiful. I don't even know what to say at this point. My dang on mouth is drooling. I'm getting hungry by the second. Look at that there. Cheesy. Real nice and delectable. Now you add those chives, some dried chives now. We ain't putting no pasta in here. We putting some chives up in that thing. You know what I'm saying? Give it some color, give it some flavor. Everybody likes some green onions and chives on their potatoes. Now this right here, this is a bypass of having a baked potato with all the cream, sauce, and all that stuff. And you just mix it all together and make a soup out of it right here, boom. This flavor right here, you ain't got to add no meat to it. It's like a semi-vegetarian dish. Besides, adding the milk and all that, it's very veganish. You know what I'm talking about? Now, you stir everything in there good. You see how good and velvety that is? Man, look at that. Man, Lord Jesus. Man, I undid it again. In the kitchen, whipping it hard. Now, this is one of my favorite dishes. This is a smothered potato soup. You know what I'm saying? Good cheesy goodness. Add it to a bowl, you feel me? Toast you up some bread. Dip that bread in that sauce. And it's over, baby. Did it again. Holla at your boy.